here having a crazy intense windstorm with gusts 60, 70 miles an hour. It's just crazy. I wanted to do a quick check before I went to bed to see what's happening, if there's any kind of damages that I could see, and there's definitely been some damage already. And really, the storm's only been going for 4 hours. We still have